Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2540 for the 2020 Hit Parade, the Rookies Graded Prizm Football Card. We want to thank everyone for getting the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020 at 11:25 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:25 p.m. Central Time, and 8:25 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Tim with 8 spots, Steph with 2, Detour 2, Justin 2, Peter with 5, Ricardo 3, Justin 3, CR Mag 2, JM 3, and Cirque with 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Tim's on top, Cirque on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Endless Heirlooms on top, JM on the bottom. Endless with the Cardinals, Steph Falcons, CR Mag Ravens, Detour Bills, Endless Panthers Bears, JM with the Bengals, Cirque with the Browns, Cowboys, Tim Broncos, Justin Lions, Steph with the Packers, JM Texans, Justin Colts, Ricardo Jaguars, Tim Chiefs, Chargers, Justin Rams, Detour Dolphins. We have Peter with the Vikings, Justin Patriots, Tim Saints, Giants. We have Endless Heirlooms with the Jets, Ricardo Raiders, Justin Eagles. We have Ricardo with the Steelers, Tim 49ers, Seahawks, CR Mag Buccaneers, Tim Titans, JM with the Washington Redskins. Here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Left seal, right seal. Let's see who we have in 2540. And we have Zeke. Gem Mint 9-5 for the Dallas Cowboys. We have Ezekiel Elliott. There we go. Centering 9.5, corners 9.5, edges 9.5, surface 9. Rookie Ezekiel Elliott Prizm for the Dallas Cowboys. Very nice. Congrats, whoever has Dallas. Here's the back. So a Gem Mint 9-5 rookie Zeke Panini Prizm. Mahomes. That'd be nice. And the Dallas Cowboys. Going to Cirque Fanatic _14. Congrats on break 2540 for the 2020 Hit Parade, the Rookies Graded Prizm Football Edition. Zeke, Gem Mint 9-5 Rookie Prizm. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p2j-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and we may have a value pack coming up. Thanks.